this business, it's really hard to get people who are reliable, who show up, who do a good job, they're neat, respectful of everything you have.
They work as a team. They work well together.
Very happy with the outcome.
And his workers were efficient, fast, precise, neat. They did an #1 job.
If you need someone for flooring, they are the guys to go to.
His prices are fantastic.
And his prices are great. He's the best. Highly recommend this man. He's awesome. He's the best.
Thank you very
much.
We're here with Anderson. He is one of the owners of Face of Wood Flooring, and he completed the job here in Deerfield Beach, Florida. It's 1,100 square feet of pergo, right, Anderson? Right. So let's give a tour here what you did.
Well, first of all, when I came here, all this was laminate, but I think it's 10 years old laminate.
Okay.
And we take it off everything.
Because the reason why was because it was not as beautiful as this one now?
No, we got a problem with the motion problem.
Oh, okay.
The water comes from the windows, but it's fixed already.
Okay.
And over here was a piece of tile.
Piece of tile around here.
Tile in front of the board. Lift it up the tile and then throw away. And the color here before was maple. And now it's cherry.
Cherry. Let's show here the box, right? It's called pergo.
Here.
Is the color there?
The color is cherry.
The information.
Cherry, like
Yeah, let's show that.
to show the label.
The label. Let's go there. So it's Brooklyn cherry. That's the pergo. So you install 1,100 square feet here. You're showing me here on your cap. Let me show you that. Yeah. So let me just. So this is as a certified endorsed installer for pergo.
And also we put all new baseboards.
New baseboard. Yeah, let's show that. Beautiful. Do you have any? Do you remember the linear footage?
No.
Okay.
It's going to be around
200.
250.
Okay. Okay. So again, this is the color is
Cherry, Brooklyn cherry.
Brooklyn cherry, laminate. Okay, and you just completed it for Mr. Pembroke here in Deerfield Beach. And so was this room here? This is called
This is the living room.
the living room.
And dining room.
The dining room over there, and also you did
2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms.
Was carpet before.
With carpet before.
Right.
Do you have pictures of that? Do you have when the carpet was removed, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to show that in the video. So you also did this hallway here. So for the viewers of this video, we're just finishing the job here, right?
Right.
It's a Friday afternoon here in June. Today is June
9.
June 9, June 10, 2011, and we're here with Anderson. So
We did his bedroom.
this bedroom, beautiful bedroom, all the laminate now, the Brooklyn cherry from pergo.
We put inside the closet too.
Inside the closet too, right there, and also this room here, right?
Right.
And you're just finishing the windowsill over there, right? And just a couple more minutes and that's going to be done. All right. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you'd like to find out more information and find out more on how to request a free estimate, it's very simple. Just go to woodfloorflorida.com. Or you can go also to see more videos on youtube.com/faceofwood, the number 1. Again, youtube.com/faceofwood1.com, and you're gonna see more videos from Face of Wood, the installation, and all the licenses, insurance, and so many recommendations from South Florida residents. All right. Thank you so much.